we have our Rars Blonde Lager. It is a traditional Munich-style pale German lager. It is very crisp, refreshing, and it is made with German pale malts, American two-row, and then we also put in some German hops to complement the flavor. It has an IBU of 20, it has alcohol by weight of 5.0, and it pairs very, very well with spicy food and also very refreshing on very hot, warm days. Now, interesting thing about this beer, that the pretty lady on the label, that's my mom. She was Miss Minnesota 1952. She was second runner-up at Miss USA, Miss Universe the same year, and she was also a Juilliard opera singer graduate. They say good looks and talent skip a generation, so my kids are set. So here's to you. Cheers.